Hey everyone, Techne here, and let me tell you what, I have an awesome, amazing, just fantastic find for us today. I didn't even plan on making a video today, but I had to get this out to you guys. I feel like I'd be doing you a disservice if I did not let you know about this deal. I probably should have named this channel like Techne's Deals or something, right? I'm always out trying to find a good bargain or a good deal somewhere, you know what I mean? But we all love new tech, the hot new tech, and we all want to save some money if we can, and that's what I'm going to do for you. And you know I always make videos of these reviews of these fantastic products for these fantastic prices, right? Now if you want to get those lickety split, make sure you go in and follow me on Twitter. I got it up on my profile, right up in my banner. Just click on it, click a follow right there, and like I said, I'll just retweet these deals every now and then when I find them, even some that I don't even review. And also if you want to catch up on these, don't forget to subscribe so you always get notifications when I do these videos for these fantastic deals. And again, sorry this seems kind of rushed or anything. Again, I did not plan on making a video today. I just wanted to get this out to you. And what we have today is the Acer Xf251Q gaming monitor. And now, yes, the title is right. I paid $100 for this thing, and right now it is still $100. Now, the one catch as for that $100 price, I bought this monitor refurbished. Yes, as you can see, it just comes in this ugly brown box. It's actually gigantic box. No nice Acer box or anything. And honestly, I'm not one to usually buy refurbished products. I usually like my stuff brand new. Only my hands have touched it, right? And I saw this price and I said, you know what? These specs and these stats, it looks too good to be true. Plus it was coming from Acer. It was actually refurbished and coming from Acer. So I figure, heck, it's coming from the factory, the actual manufacturer. Let me go on and give this a shot. Now, if it was coming from a third-party seller or something like that, or if it was just some used seller on eBay, I would not have touched it. But again, since it said it was coming from Acer and everything, I felt like, hey, I got the company backing up this product is selling, so why not? So again, what we have here is the Acer Xf251Q gaming monitor. This monitor is 75 Hz, 1 millisecond response time, 1080p, it has FreeSync, it's frameless, it has a gaming stand. You know what? Let's just take a look at it. Alright, so in our box, you're going to get the monitor, you'll get your stand and your arm, you're going to get an HDMI, VGA, and your power cord. Alright, so a quick look at the back of the monitor here. As you can tell, it's VESA mountable. You have HDMI 1, HDMI 2, a VGA, you have an audio in, and you have a headphone jack. So you can have your speakers plugged in and your headphone plugged in as well. And then your power source right there. All right, let's get this thing put together. All right, so we're gonna get our arm and our base and flip our monitor over. And on the bottom of the base, as you can see, it's all metal right down there. Really cool base, by the way. I don't know if you can see that. It looked really cool design. And again, the whole bottom is metal, very, very heavy duty. And you have little notches right there to screw it right onto our stand. All right, so now we have our arm attached to our base. And this thing is really heavy duty, guys. This thing has some weight to it. Really nice. And the awesome thing I really love here, as you can see, we have the two teeth right there. All you need to do to attach this is simply slide it into the back of the monitor, set it down, and it clicks, and you are in. And it's that easy to get out, too. Just press this button underneath, bam, and it's out. Come on. That is so awesome. No screws or anything. All right, so we are all assembled. Look at this thing. This thing is an absolute beaut, guys. Like, no joke. You have the frameless right here. Yeah, you got the bezel on the bottom with the little Acer logo, but the rest is frameless. Now, no, your display's not edge to edge. You got the little border in there, but again, you don't have that bezel going around it. Now, here's something awesome. So we have that nice heavy-duty stand. Check it out. This guy slides all the way down, all the way up. Incredibly nice slow motion, right? It's also going to slide, turn left, turn right, and you have little notches down here too. So if you have a nice setting you like it on a certain angle, you have a notch right down there to let you know. It's really cool. You also have tilt back and tilt forward. Again, tilt back and tilt forward, and this thing moves so easy. It's not like it's not going to slide on you by itself, but you can move it nice and easy right there. Let me show you from the back side here as well. As you can see, it slides right down, slides right up, and again, it turns, and it's got a lot of turn in it right there. I can't even reach. But the other thing, you can also turn the monitor all the way sideways like that. Come on. This thing is not $100. Like, wow, this is nuts, guys. So my main point I was making in the beginning before, I was like, I never buy refurbished products. Is it okay to buy refurbished products? You know what I mean? And that's kind of what I wanted this video to be, right? Is it okay to buy refurbished products? I wanted to, do a video next week or something, but this was so awesome. I had to share it with you guys. But anyways, I want to show you the one flaw that I received with this here. And I don't know if this is because it's refurbished. I honestly think it's because the shipping box, like they had the monitor wrapped up and everything, but the stand was just kind of sitting in a box and it had a lot of movement around. So that's what I think it's from. I really doubt this is from wear from something else, but I'm going to bring you guys in and show you it. So it's so small. I don't even know if you guys can see it, but you see right on the back of the stand here where it rolls over, we have a little bit of the fade right there going to the plastic and a couple of little small scratches. Again, nothing major at all. But again, guys, that's so minor, and again, I think it's from the shipping box. Now, if that was on the screen or on the front, I think I'd be a little more affected by it, but it's on the back and it's so minor. Again, I don't think it affects it at all. All right, so now we got it all plugged up and everything ready to do some tests. Now, I just want to let you guys know real quick, there are no affiliated links associated with this video or anything, right? I'm not benefiting no way off this. This is not sponsored or anything. This is straight up a fantastic deal. I just had to get out there and share with you guys. Hey, maybe you can hook it up with a sub. Just press right there or right here. I'm not too sure where it is. All right, so now we're going to talk some of the menu, and all this is controlled by these buttons right on the front right here. And first one we'll press is this right here, which is going to give you a shortcut to all your options. Right here is a quick change if you want to go into game mode or eco or standard or any of your basic settings you have set right there. And you can control it. It tells you which arrow each button will be associated with as you're going through the menu, as you can see right there. So it's not printed on the monitor, but it's actually on the screen when you pull your menu up. So we have a shortcut there. And then right here as well, it arrows you down to what you have. So you have your user settings or your screen settings right there, your brightness, your volume for your speakers. There's also speakers built within this, so it'll control those. You have your input selection right here. Then if you press over here, we are going to have all of our basic menu things, from your brightness, your contrast, your sharpness. All right, so pretty straightforward menu setting, right? I love how the buttons are right there, and then it pops up on the screen and tells you which one goes to where. Like some monitors have it kind of printed right down here by the buttons. Me personally, I don't like that. I either like my controls on the back or like this. I mean, this is probably my favorite yet because you can tell which button you're pressing to the corresponding arrow that comes up on a screen. I mean, it is just honestly fantastic. Now, there is one thing on the front up here that I do not like, which I think is going to be a pretty easy fix. As you can see right over here on our power button, you guys see that blue light? It just stays on right there, and it gets pretty annoying, especially when you're gaming or at night. I don't know, I'll have to maybe, dab some tape over it or something like that, but it's honestly a little annoying. All right, everyone, so we have the Division 2 rolling here. In game, it's a little rainy and foggy, so it might look a little gray in there, you know what I mean? But let me tell you, it looks amazing. It looks fantastic. Butter smooth. Again, 75 Hz, 1 millisecond response, 1080p. This thing is a beaut. Hands down a beaut. Beautiful. Now, like I stated before in the menus, there are built-in speakers in this thing, but I'm not even going to bore you or waste any of your time because they're horrible. Do not count on the speakers. But on the back, like we talked about before, you have your audio in, and then you have your headphone jack. All right, so there's a couple things I want you to take away from this video. Number one, go get this monitor right now. I mean, get this deal while it's still active for that $100. The other thing, refurbished products, okay to buy? Again, like I said before, I never buy refurbished products. Like, honestly, I can't even remember the last time I did. But I am just jaw-dropped by this one. And again, like I stated before, I wouldn't buy refurbished products from a third-party company or this, that, or the other. But if it's coming straight from the manufacturer, you got their guarantee and their warranty behind it all day long. Because then, honestly, you don't have to worry about this third-party seller or anything. You dealing right with the manufacturer. You're dealing with that company. They still have their name writing on this monitor, even though it's refurbished, you know what I mean? So you have a nice solid backbone to rest back on buying a refurbished product from the actual manufacturer. But let's say you're not into buying refurbished, or you go nowhere near refurbished, you had a bad experience before, right? This monitor is sold at Best Buy, and I believe manufacturer suggested retail is $199. I believe right now it's $168. But honestly, if you keep an eye on it, you can get it brand new for $130 through Best Buy. It might be like $139, give or take, and that's brand spanking new, right? But still, I think you need to jump on this for $100. And again, like I said before, there's no affiliated links or anything like this. I just truly want to share this fantastic value and deal with you guys and bring it to your attention so you can benefit from this great deal like I did. Maybe you can just hook it up with a sub. That's all I'm asking. But hey guys, let me know in the comments, did you pick up this deal? What do you think about it? Did you pick it up and you're looking forward to it? Let me tell you what, you're gonna love it. But hey, thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry it seemed rushed or anything like that. Again, I just wanted to get it out there to share it with you guys. But if you liked it, go on and hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for some future tech videos. Hey, I hope I catch you in the next one. Bye now.